30 years in IT, but my passion is motorcycles. That passion has sent me on a journey to try and experience every motorcycle possible, to not only learn about the bikes, but also myself. Share the journey and let's enjoy the ride together.
Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again, Triumph from Waukesha with a 2021 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This is a 649cc parallel twin, 60 horsepower, 49 foot-pounds of torque, cruiser configuration, very low seat. This does have an aftermarket pipe on it. This is a used bike here at Triumph from Waukesha, and I'm not gonna lie, I really like the Vulcan. It's a lightweight, small, comfortable bike, and I'm super excited to ride one. Whew, Jesus, that is loud. That is very loud. Wow. But this bike is super light, and I'm super excited to actually ride it outside of a demo ride, because that means I can kind of choose my own road here. Yeah, this bike is holy shit. I don't know what this pipe is, but it's loud. Very loud. Wow. Does not have a quick shifter. It does not have a lot of electronic nannies, but what this bike does have, it's an insanely loud exhaust. This bike is super comfortable. Super comfortable. God almighty. I've ridden the 2023. It does not sound like this. It would if you put this pipe on it. But I rode that for one of my first bikes for the channel, and it was terrible equipment, terrible everything. Even I was terrible, honestly. But the bike itself is pretty much the same. And if you want to piss off your neighbors, this will be the bike for you. With this exhaust. Wow, it is obnoxiously loud. I mean, I like a loud exhaust, but whew, good Lord. Could use a dB killer on this. You have a little bit of vibration in the pegs. But it's not unbearable. Brakes are really good. Yeah, as far as overall rider triangle, feet forward, arms forward, I kind of would prefer if this had mids, to be honest. All right, coming to a stop. I am 5'9", easy neutral. I have a very nice bend in my knee at a stop. This is a beautiful area. I've said it many times as I was riding through here. Love these trees. God. Okay. I'm going on the second gear. This bike is just infinitely flickable and super easy to ride. Wow. Yeah, there's nothing worrisome at all about this bike. You know, you just cruise down the road, there is nothing worrisome about this bike. It is comfortable, it is relaxed, it's lightweight, easy to ride. It's this is my favorite beginner cruiser, honestly. It's that good. It's not super fast. It's still fun though. I really do like this bike. I like this bike quite a bit. I mean, this bike MSRP is like $7,199 brand new. Well, when this one was new, I don't know how it is now with inflation. I think it's roughly still about that same price. So I mean, it's not cheap, or not cheap, but it's cheap enough. I mean, for a beginner cruiser, like I said, this would be my favorite beginner cruiser. It's got plenty of power. It's got plenty of power. It gets up to speed just fine. I mean, no lie, it does. You see it. Throw on a little tail bag or a couple little side bags. Oh my God, this bike would be great. 3, 2, 1. Not bad. It's a quick little bike. Gets up to 60 miles an hour in 5-6 seconds, maybe 7. I don't know. I don't really care. Because I'm not buying this bike to go 0 to 60. I'm not buying this bike to do highway pulls. I'm buying this bike because I want a little cruiser that I can take back and forth to work. I want to be able to, you know, ride in comfort. And this bike does all of that. It really does. Every bit of that. This bike does it. And if you're looking for an entry-level bike, you can't really go wrong with this. You really can't. You can't really go wrong with this. I would buy this before I bought any Harley Davidson as a beginner. Any Harley Davidson. Because you're going to be able to ride this and get better at riding with this better than a Harley. Just being honest. Kickstand down. Here you are, ladies and gentlemen. Kawasaki 2021 Vulcan S with the loudest pipe of all time. TBR. Good God. Well, let's get a glorious sound of that. Damn. Good God. Yeah. Super loud. Alright, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. Hope I help you. You know, I love sharing this stuff with everybody. I really do. If If you haven't already, like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Everybody stay safe and enjoy the ride.
So turn your back